In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to open, view, edit, and create a professional report package that's ready to share. Let's start by getting to the right place. After you sign in to QuickBooks Online, look to the left side menu and click Reports. At the top of the Reports page, switch to the Management Reports tab. Here, you'll see a list with columns like Name, Created by, Last Modified, Report Period, and Action. Many accounts have starter templates such as Company Overview, Sales Performance, and Expenses Performance. Think of this page as your dashboard for packaged, presentation-ready reports. To quickly review what a package looks like, choose a report from the list and use the Action column to click View. This opens the full package, including a polished cover page, a table of contents, the financial reports inside, and any endnotes. Take a moment to scroll through so you know what's included. If you're happy with it or need to share it outside of QuickBooks, click Export to PDF to download a clean, portable copy. If you'd like to tailor what you see, editing is straightforward. From the Management Reports page, click Edit beside the report you want to change. A panel on the left lets you work through each section in order, such as the cover page, table of contents, any preliminary pages, the reports and charts, and endnotes. In each area, you can adjust branding and details like your logo, the report title and subtitle, the report period, who prepared it, and the disclaimer text. You can also add or remove individual reports inside the package so the content matches your audience. When your changes are set, choose Save and Run to generate the updated version. Creating a new package follows a similar flow. Click the plus button labeled Management Report at the top right. Give your report a clear name. Set the report period that best represents the time frame you want, and add the reports you need included. Customize the cover page to reflect your branding or message so it looks polished from the first page. When everything is in place, click Save and Run to produce your new package. Management reports are ideal when you want to present financial data professionally. Combine multiple reports into one cohesive file, include your branding and notes, and share a consistent snapshot with managers or stakeholders. That's how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks guides.